What goes into tracking equipment health for businesses? We're here with Valtrax to learn more. Ben, tell us a little bit more about who you are and what you do.
I'm a third-year finance student here at the University of Florida, and I'm a co-founder of Valtrax. We're building the world's first real-time collateral intelligence platform designed specifically for equipment lenders. So right now, lenders, when they write loans for anything from a forklift to a commercial espresso machine to a CNC mill, they're flying blind in the sense that they're using appraisals that are months old, they're pulling comps data from fractured data sources and depreciation curves that are largely based off guesswork. But Valtrax provides them a real live time answer.
And why is that important?
It's important because loans are written based off of the collateral's value. And it's important for both small business owners, large business owners, and the people writing loans, such as private credit funds and small banks. So they need to know the value of their asset throughout the life of that loan in order to make sure that if the loan was to go under or bankrupt, or they need to liquidate some of the assets, they can do so for a reasonable price.
And what makes this different than maybe similar companies already out there?
So right now, there's no Kelley Blue Book or Carfax for equipment data. Every equipment around us and asset that are central to small businesses and business in general are getting telemetry, which is when sensor input is sent to computers and data, financial data, predictive maintenance can be determined based off of that.
So how does this technology work?
So anything that produces a Wi-Fi or radio signal is actually able to be tracked. And equipment that are commonplace in factories or the coffee shop across the road, they produce vibrations, sensory inputs that these very technical devices, sensors, are able to pick up and zap to a computer. So if you have live access to when you'll need the next predictive maintenance, that can save a small business thousands of dollars per year. Not to mention, if you're able to report this data to lenders, you'll be able to get better financing rates, quicker access to capital, and more flexible terms.